Welcome to a first look at OnsiteSnap. We are currently building the OnsiteSnap service, but we keep getting asked about it by so many people. We created this video to give you all an early preview. If you want less customer callbacks and fewer unpaid hours, higher consistency, quality, and reputation. If you want to spend less time checking on your team and want new hires brought up to speed faster, then OnsiteSnap can help you and your business. What is OnsiteSnap? OnsiteSnap is an online application or web app you and your entire team can use. Your team can view work instructions from anywhere and on any computer or mobile device with internet access. Your team checks work items off as they get them done, and you can see this all in real time. Now, let's take a closer look at how OnsiteSnap can help you reduce customer callbacks and decrease costly rework. You can create procedures in OnsiteSnap and in one click create instructions from them. We'll show you how to do one-click instruction creation later. Here is a procedure. You can see on this procedure there's a name, when it was created, and who created it. You can add pre-built sections to any procedure to keep things as simple as possible. In this procedure, we added a purpose section, who is responsible, procedure steps, even adding a reference document and an image to help whoever uses this procedure in the future. You can also add custom sections to any procedure. Just select the custom option and add the section, give it a title, and press save. The custom section is instantly added to your procedure. You can then add text to your custom section. You can also add more details and move sections around within your procedure. Whatever makes sense for you. OnsiteSnap helps you build your own procedures tailored exactly to your business. Let's take another look at our procedure steps. You may have noticed there were none. With OnsiteSnap, you can add a checklist to a procedure in just a couple clicks. We'll show you what a checklist is in just a moment. In this example, we'll add a checklist we have already created. Select this checklist, and you'll see it has now been added to the procedure. And you can now see individual checklist steps, as the checklist is now embedded in the procedure. If you created another procedure, you could even add this same checklist to your other procedure. With any mobile device, your team can take these instructions with them wherever they are. We mentioned checklists. At a minimum, a checklist is a list of job tasks defined as specific or general as you want them to be. This is where your business processes take shape. As an example, we have a checklist of simplified tasks to install a new swimming pool pump. Imagine that this checklist will be used by service technicians when they arrive at a customer site. You can see we've added several main steps with descriptions and added relevant images to help them. This service technician could have a list of tools they need for the job, reference diagrams, and troubleshooting guides to help them as they do their installation. You can even add actions. These are things you can have the worker perform before they proceed to the next step. For this example, the service technician can take a job site before and after photo to keep a record of the work performed, plus add notes of any issues encountered during the work. Your team can use and work through instructions wherever they are. They have all the information they need. Notes, images, photos, and files can all be added, giving them information they need while reducing errors in their work. This helps your business save wasted time and money and run more efficient. With everyone having the right instructions, all the information they need, they can get the job done right the first time. This can result in less costly rework for your business. Let's take a closer look at how OnsiteSnap can help your team have higher work consistency, focus on quality, and in the end, cultivate a better reputation. We showed you how to create procedures and add checklists formed exactly around how you do business. As we mentioned before, Work tasks are broken into steps, so it's clear what work needs to be done. With OnsiteSnap, you first create steps inside a checklist. Then you add this checklist to any procedure. What happens next? You share your creation with your team members. When you're satisfied with your procedure, you create an instruction. An instruction is a usable version of a procedure. You've already done 99% of the work to define your business process in a procedure, so creating an instruction is very easy. You create an instruction from an existing procedure. Here, we select our example, Install Pool Pump Procedure, and in one click it's created. With the instruction created, we can now assign this instruction to a team member. You then select who you want the instruction assigned to, and select an optional date when the instruction should be completed. You'll then see a view of the assigned instruction, ready to work by that employee. Although they only have the option to start the instruction, you have the option of adding any notes for them before they start. You can assign an instruction any number of times to any number of employees. If your entire team was working like this, you can see how consistency and quality could increase, and over the long term, your company reputation could improve. Now, let's see how OnsiteSnap can help you spend less time checking up on your team. With your team out working instructions and doing the right things the first time, you can be confident everyone is getting actual work done. To help you see this, OnsiteSnap's dashboard gives you an overall view of what's going on in your company. You know what's been created recently. Recent procedures are shown in the upper right. You know what's been assigned and to whom. Assigned instructions are shown in the upper left. You know what's going on during the day, week, or any time frame you want. Tasks being started, worked, and finished are shown in the lower left. You know what's been done and not done in one glance. A chart of the work status is shown in the lower right. You can quickly search within a time frame. Often used time intervals are easy to click, and you can create a custom one of your own. A quick view of the OnsiteSnap dashboard saves you time when compared to finding this out manually from each employee, and you spend less time checking up on them. Let's see how OnsiteSnap can help new hires be brought up to speed faster in your business. In this example, we've created a checklist of tasks a new hire would complete. You can see we've added steps for each task, added images to help, and requiring they take a photo as one of the steps, while adding notes in another step. Let's see what happens when the new hire starts working this instruction. We create the instruction, and we then assign it to the new hire. You can see the instruction, ready to work by the new hire. The new hire would click the Start button, where they immediately can start working through their training and onboarding tasks. They start the first task and check it off when they're done. The next task is ready to be worked, and in this case, they need to take a photo and add it to finish the task. New hires complete their tasks as they get brought up to speed on their own. They have one place for easy and clear training plans. This helps new hires become productive as possible, and in the shortest time. OnsiteSnap was built from the ground up to help you succeed by being mobile ready, fast, easy to learn, and secure. OnsiteSnap works on all computers, tablets, and smartphones. There's no app to find, download, and keep updated. OnsiteSnap is built by software industry veterans to be fast, snappy, and intuitive. OnsiteSnap is simple to learn as email and just as easy to use. OnsiteSnap keeps your data securely in the cloud, accessible only by your company, backed up automatically, and always available. If you want less customer callbacks and unpaid hours, higher consistency, quality, and reputation. If you want to spend less time checking on your team, while new hires are brought up to speed faster, OnsiteSnap is for you. We hope you've enjoyed learning about OnsiteSnap. If you haven't already, sign up for the OnsiteSnap Insiders List. As we finish and prepare OnsiteSnap for launch, we are sharing updates and extra bonuses for insiders who join the list. Insiders also get first access to try OnsiteSnap. Thank you.